Hey everyone, welcome back to your girl Soraya Morris's YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna get into doing my makeup and my hair. Also, I dyed my hair. Yes, I dyed it let's say I never do this, but I dyed it red brown, and I'm not like super stoked about it because it's an alright. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Let me get my flashlight just in case. As you can see, it has like a shine to it. It's not bad. I'm just trying it out. I'm trying different colors at the store right now. I might, in 2 weeks, I'm gonna dye it maybe the black cherry and see what that does. Or I'm gonna go with the black cherry red, try that out. Just play with the colors a little bit. Every 2 weeks I'm gonna start dyeing my hair and playing with different colors, I think. Just trying to see how it affects my hair, because I have H-tips in right now and it's kind of hard to dye your hair with your H-tips if you have H-tips in, or no, not H-tips, I-tips, but you know what I mean. Just getting the correct color to match with your whole head is sometimes kind of difficult because my roots are blonde and the rest of my hair is dark brown. It looks black, but it's actually dark brown. Okay, so getting into the makeup session here, gonna apply the foundation to us. And I just got this foundation from down the road at a beauty store. I didn't order it on Temu, and it's actually a pretty good foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and massage this in to my face here. So once you massage in all of this, you're going to massage it in with that sponge, obviously. And obviously it's kind of not like super blending into my skin, so that's why we're gonna take a powder, and like a lighter powder here that I have, this avocado powder blend, and I'm gonna take this and massage it in a little bit with the skin here. So I was gonna let you know, if you're looking for like a full cheek defect where you want your cheeks to pop out, I would use a darker cheek bone like powder, and that is this right here. I would use this darker powder on your cheekbone if you want it to pop out. That's kind of what I do, and just lightly brush it on there and blend it in with the cheekbone. See how it's already kind of popping here? And then go to the other side, because probably got like a lot of powder, so try to use it up on the other side too if you can, because it's like a lot of powder. And then just blend it in a little bit for both sides is what I do. Who uses their right hand all the time? Me. It's kind of hard to use your left. And then anyway, so yeah, I can't use my left, but then blend it all into the cheeks really nicely, and then get it in there really good. Once you massage it in, that will be enough. And then, grab the white powder here. Use this white powder. You can use the same brush, it doesn't matter. I use the same brush all the time. And just get a little bit of the white powder here. Be careful though. I'm gonna say be very careful mixing your brushes. I know it's not professional of me to do that, or clean of me to do that at all. But maybe just grab a different brush to be on the safe side, and then use the white powder here, let's see, and apply it under the eye. Okay, blend it under the eye really nicely here. Massage it in really good, blend it in really nicely. So you can already see the colors kind of popping out here. And if you want your cheekbone to pop out and like underneath your eyes and stuff, but like a natural look, nothing like over the top, then I would follow my example. Okay, so now we're gonna use the other one that I have here, and it has a little bit of red in it. So we want to add some blush to the cheeks to pop more, and then grab a different brush. I'm gonna use the brush that I used with the brown, so I'm pretty sure it's safe for that to mix. Anyway, I'm gonna use the red in this palette and really get some red on that brush here. Add it to the over top layer of the brown and underneath your eye a little bit, like right on that cheekbone, and massage it up through the face, and you'll get the perfect look that you're looking like a natural, really natural look for yourself. See, look at that, blended right in, and it's looking amazing. So that is what I'm saying right now. If you want your cheeks to pop, then you have to add the blush, the red, the brown, and blend it in really nicely, like how I have. I'll even shine my flashlight. See, you want that look, that shine effect. Okay, now I have done all of this. Now we're gonna start the eyeshadow. All right. Oops, my phone. I'm not gonna have a phone love here soon. Okay. So, take your eyeshadow brush and apply whatever eyeshadow you want. Just kidding. But anyway, if you want you want colorful eyeshadow or a natural look. I've been going for a natural look for the last week. So I think I'm gonna grab my colorful palette and we're gonna dive in to some colors. Let me go get that. Okay, so here's the eye palette here. And this eye palette is amazing. It's the best. I ordered it off of Temu. I think in my last videos on Temu, I was explaining to you about the palette that I bought. It's kind of a magic palette, as you can see. It's got some voodoo on here. It says only 100, I think. I'm not for sure, or something. But when you open up the palette, as you can see, it's got just a beautiful palette of collection of colors, and it's got some really bright colors in here. That's why I like this palette. So I'm gonna dive into this beautiful colorful palette here. Today I'm gonna do, every time I look into this palette, it just drives me insane because I have a color of eye blue, and well, my eyes are blue, so I don't really like to put too much color on because sometimes I look really bad with too much eyeshadow. So I don't do blue with blue all the time. And green, I'm not a big fan of green, definitely not. So I don't know, I think I'm just gonna go for it and try doing maybe like a green, I guess, today, a dark black. So actually I'm gonna go for a green today, and then I'm gonna add in a dark color. Yeah, this green is super pretty. I'm just lightly gonna apply it to the eyelid here. Perfect. Now that I have added this to my eyelid, I'm going to add in this other green that I see here over the top here. It's a sparkly green. As you can see, it's a little sparklier than the other one. And I'm gonna add this above the top a little bit. Massage just right above the eyelid, and then add it in too. So once I've done that, then I'm gonna work on blending that in. As you can see, I've blended it. I'm gonna take the back end of this little soft brush and blend some more. Especially where we're working with some really dark greens in my eye color. It always trips me out, especially because I don't know why. But then I'm gonna add it into the crease here and massage it in really nicely. Now we have that. Massage it in really good. See here, all nice and massage into the eyelid. Then I'm gonna add in, I wasn't sure if I should do a dark black because like now it's already really dark. So I'm trying to see what color I should add in here. And I think I'm gonna go with this like silver purple or something and do that and blend it in some more. So I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm not sure what to add this one. Maybe like in the crease here in the eyelid and massage that in just a little bit. See how it's giving it kind of its effect here. So this is the type of effect that we want in silver. So we're gonna move on to the next eye. Blend it in. I really am obsessed with, I love Ariel. I think Ariel is amazing. She has really nice voice. So after you massage it in and all of that, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. See how the eyeshadow is like literally stuck in my crack of my eye here? I don't like that. So I'm gonna grab some concealer and clean that up. Lots on the brush there. So do that. So we got the eyeshadow on here, got all of that. Then I'm gonna add the eyeliner here. This is a waterproof eyeliner. Really careful. I'm gonna just go to the bathroom and apply it. Okay, okie dokie. So I just put the eyeliner on. Oh, I guess I'll go ahead and grab those. So now I'm applying the fake eyelash. So now that I have applied the eyelashes, I'm going to apply the other side. Now I'm applying this side here. Now applying this side. Alright, perfect. Now that I have applied both eyelashes to my eyes here, I'm going to add liner to the lid, so it's black. I'm gonna do a purple liner here. Now that I have added the liner to the lips, now I'm going to add the lipstick now. And it's this lipstick, SL Professional Lipstick. It's a really good lipstick. Applying this on. So now that I've added this on, perfect. Okay, that is the makeup look for today, and then I'll see everyone till next time. I'll hope that I can come up with some better like eyelash or tutorials with like eyeshadow and all that. Let me shine my light really quick so that you can really see the look here. Let's see. So that is the full look for today. All right, I'll see everyone till next time. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and then also share my video. Bye.